Recording in progress.
Diversity in living beings. Let us start this.
Ma'am, is this a new chapter?
What do you think? What do you think?
Possible.
What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. New chapter. I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
New chapter, ma'am.
Of course, it is a new chapter now. Come on. You guys I just don't get it, chance. Okay, anyways, let us start. I can move diversity in living beings. So, all of these so many organisms which exist in it, diverse, variation, differences in characteristics, differences in the type of habitat they live, based upon what adaptations they have gone through. Everything, and why it is important for them to classify. Why it is important for them to classify? Because classification enables us to understand the advantages and disadvantages of the organisms. Advantages and disadvantages of the organisms.
Which organism?
All of these organisms which are around you. Like for example, let me give you a very, very silly example. Like you guys are gonna laugh. How do you know that domesticating lion is not good?
Because it is predator. Because it is a predator.
It is a predator.
It's dangerous.
It's a mammal, na? It's a mammal. Like if you can get a female lion, lioness, you can just milk the lion and drink it. Like why do you feel so fun?
Even though the male lions, female lions are dangerous.
See, I'm not gonna compare all that now. But you can at least, because our bodies can digest milk, even coming from a lion, because they're mammals. थोड़ा बहुत difference होगा, but yeah.
Milking them is difficult. It is very difficult that they can attack you. Ma'am, you can tame lions, but it is a very difficult process. You have to tame
Milking will be very difficult, na? Milking will be very difficult.
Yes, ma'am. You have to inject them.
How do you know that? Inject them, because you have to actually give them anesthesia to get them in. See, this is the thing. You have understood the characteristic of the organism. That this is a carnivore. This is what canines. This is a predator. So this cannot be domesticated. This is what diversity does. In diversity, there is a branch called as systematics. Systematics deal with classifying the organism. Systematics is the branch of biology. In systematic, there is a small branch called as taxonomy. Taxonomy deals with first step, identification. Second step, classification. Third step, nomenclature.
Ma'am, what is systematics? Could you repeat?
I'll explain. Systematics is the branch of biology which enables the individual to understand the organism from all perspectives, to classify the organism, to identify the organism, to name the organism. And which part of systematic does that? Systematic overall does that, identifying the organism. There is a branch of biology that is taxonomy. I'm so sorry, my dog is barking. Just a second.
DNA. If they identify them by DNA?
No, not that. For example, if I bring a lion in front of you, you are going to identify the DNA, you're going to identify it. For example, Suppose the world is not known to pen, the whole family of pens. So if I show you a pen, everyone knows about pencil, no one knows about pen. So I'll show you pen, and you'll be like, first identify what this thing is. Then you'll be like, okay, this looks like pencil. So you'll classify that as some new variety of pencil. And then you'll try to give a name. Okay, this is like pencil but not pencil, so let's call it pen. Right? So first you identified, then you classified, then you gave a name. Clear?
Ma'am, can you can you repeat the systematics definition, means how it deals with, means to whom it deals?
There is no, see, defining systematics is a very broad term. Here I can best way I can explain like okay chalo ठीक है define कर देते classification of organisms, nomenclature of organism, that is what systematic is. Systematic allows the individual to classify and give name to the organisms. That is what systematic is, and it does this in hierarchy. Systematic ये करता कैसे है? हायरार्की में करता है. हायरार्की में करना मतलब ऑर्गेनिज्म को उनकी बेसिस ऑफ इवोल्यूशन पे क्लासिफाई करना. किस पे क्लासिफाई करना?
Basis of
Yes. So systematic is a biological science that deals with classifying and classification of organism and nomenclature of organism. That's what you can understand.
What are you doing now? I'm saying I'm taking pictures and I need project.
Ma'am, could you tell what is the last point? Identification, classification, and
Math I can finish in half an hour.
Nomenclature.
I didn't get it. Identification of organism, classification. Taxonomy is the
Think
branch of
about a good
biology
cover
that
page
deals
for my
with
English project
classification of
Tiger in the
organism,
Tunnel by Ruskin Bond.
nomenclature of
Topic.
organism, identification of organism, then nomenclature. Nomenclature is the last. You give the name at last.
ma'am, and means hierarchies, means the naming we are doing it on the basis of evolution only, right?
Huh.
So ma'am, it is coming in the part of taxonomy or systematics, but in book it is, I think it is in category of taxonomy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Actually, systematic taxonomy is the part which is dealing with these. Systematic is still broad. क्योंकि systematic में क्या पहले आप identify करते हो, classify करते हो और nomenclature. Classification के लिए आप hierarchy का use करते हो. और उसके बाद और भी अलग variety आ जाती है. और भी अलग variety आ जाती है. जैसे taxidermy आ जाता है. That is also part. I don't want to speak about all of this. आपने देखा होगा whenever you go to a lab. Whenever you go to a biological botany lab, you see those animals which are stuffed. Have you seen those animals which are stuffed?
Yes.
Stuffed animals, soft animals.
Yeah, the ones which are put up for studying now.
Yes, miss.
And those animals whose internal organs are more than replaced with skin.
Yeah, that is called as taxidermy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, isn't this the same thing they do after what is that called? If a person is dead and there's no reason for it. Postmortem, yes, ma'am. They do the same thing, right?
But taxidermy is for education purposes. And also, students, you would have seen that those lab specimens which are put up in 10% formaldehyde.
Yes, ma'am, formaldehyde.
They are there kept in glass bottles like this, like a crab will be there, right? It's
Yes,
there inside those specimens. Yeah, that is also coming in systematic. That is also a part of that. So, what we are doing, which part of systematics we are covering? We are only covering the taxonomy. If you want to see the definition, why do you see me so confused at this moment? Because the definition of systematic and taxonomy is same. It is same.
Taking notes.
It is एकदम same because systematic क्या है? Systematic है branch of biology that deals with classifying and giving name to the organism. And then same is our taxonomy. Taxonomy only deals with identification, classification and nomenclature of the organism. Got it, students?
Yeah, ma'am, got it.
Now do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Now we are going to focus on taxonomy. What is exactly taxonomy? Yes, in depth. Taxonomy is the branch of biology which deals with identification, classification and nomenclature of organisms. We know that. But classification के लिए वो क्या use करेगा? It is going to use taxa or taxon. The difference is singularity and plural. One is singular, one is plural. Taxa and taxon. What are these taxa and taxon? Taxa and taxon are the units of classification. Units of classification, which determine the hierarchy of the organism. अभी मैम क्या बोल रही हैं? What are you even speaking? Let me raise this.
Yeah, and fourth is CA, right? Okay.
Taxonomy will use taxas. Different taxas. What are the taxas which help the person to classify the organism on the basis of evolution? Let us see. So पहले क्या होता था? पहले से पूरे के पूरे organism को 2 kingdom में classify किया जाता था, plants and animals. और उनके लिए taxa use किया जाता था. The first and the broadest kingdom. Then comes division.
Ma'am, these all comes under classification, right?
Yeah, exactly. These individual units are taxons. Okay, total there is taxa. Kingdom, division, class, subclass, order, family, genus, and species.
Taxa or taxon are parameters.
Are the parameters of classification. Yes, exactly. These units are called as taxa. These are these single units. Okay? And here, again the same class, subclass, order, family, genus and species. Only difference here you see here.
And that is species, right?
Yeah, species of course. Okay, students, did you get till here?
Yeah, ma'am, got it.
So these are the units of classification. Now, do you see? We have maintained a hierarchy here. Do you see? This is the hierarchy. What do you mean by hierarchy? Hierarchy means stratification. Stratification means layers. Now, these layers are based upon what? Development, evolution. Now, for example, let us understand from the lowest. Species is the taxa which contains lowest number of organisms. Kingdom is the taxa which contains highest number of organisms. Right? Correct? For example, if I say animal kingdom, that means all the animals will come into there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is everyone able to connect with me, or should I go more slowly?
No, ma'am, means it's okay.
This is an easier topic. Come on. If I say dolphin species, so I'm only